Eureka Forbes Q3 FY26 results, revenue grows, profit under pressure despite margin gains. Eureka Forbes reported a mixed Q3 FY26 performance, with steady revenue growth but continued pressure on profitability due to demand softness in select categories and one-time costs. While margins improved, earnings growth remained constrained on both a year-on-year and sequential basis. Revenue from operations for the quarter rose 8.0% year to 645.4 crore rupees, supported by multiple growth drivers across products and services. However, macro challenges and elevated channel inventory weighed on overall momentum. Adjusted EBITDA increased 13.7% year to 73.2 crore rupees, with margins expanding 57 basis points to 11.3%. The improvement was driven by healthy gross margins and better cost discipline across the business. Despite margin gains, profit growth remained subdued as exceptional items impacted the bottom line. Profit after tax before exceptional items rose 11.9% year to 39 crore rupees, while one-time labor code implementation costs continued to drag reported profitability. The products business saw divergent trends during the quarter. Robotics and softeners delivered strong double-digit growth, while air purifier revenues surged nearly 3 times year-on-year on rising health awareness. Water purifiers faced headwinds due to post-festive demand slowdown and high dealer inventory levels. Management noted that the company continued to outperform the broader category and gain market share despite near-term pressure. The service segment remained a key stabilizer, recording its third consecutive quarter of double-digit AMC booking growth. Improving customer service metrics supported the ongoing turnaround in the service business. For the 9-month period ended December 2025, revenue grew 11.1% year to 2026.6 crore rupees, while adjusted EBITDA rose 17.7% year to 241.7 crore rupees. Margin expansion of 67 basis points highlighted operating leverage benefits over the longer term. Management reiterated confidence in the company's transformation strategy, citing multiple growth vectors across robotics, air purifiers, and services. While near-term profitability remains under pressure, the business is positioned for sustained, profitable growth as demand normalizes. Do you believe Eureka Forbes can translate margin expansion into consistent profit growth over the next few quarters, or will demand challenges continue to cap earnings recovery? Share your view in the comments. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.